different from your father's God is different, then you tend to establish peace among gods. The greatest success of India was to have established peace between gods. All gods, we got them married to one another. They settled in peace. So we created a family of gods. His father, son, grandson. It's a huge spiritual advantage India had. It is being questioned meaninglessly. We created an umbrella of gods. But behind this, we knew there is only one God. Only God. In everything there is God. In you there is God. In tree there is God. In forest there is God. In mountain there is God. In river there is God. God manifests in everything. That one thought which unified all the gods, all the people, the creation, the nature, the stone, the mountain. This is a huge idea which is called monistic. Behind everything, there is only one source of divinity. Monotheism is, behind this there is one God, this identified God, God with a telephone number, email and address. It is this one miscalculation, misinterpretation, misformation of the concept of God that led to millions and millions of people being exterminated. In China and Russia, almost 300 people were killed because they believed in God by communists. 1/4 of Cambodian population was eliminated by Pol Pot in the 20th century because they believed in God. Atheists killed others. India also we had atheists. In Tamil Nadu, 30 years the atheists ruled, but nobody was killed. And God defeated atheists. He didn't kill anybody. That you were an atheist yesterday, I will kill you. Our God, our faithfuls did not do it. Behind all this is how you relate yourself to God and how you relate gods to one another. If the God is an exclusive God, that I am the only God, the legitimate God, that all other gods are false gods, then you have paved way for violence, war, extermination, massacre and killings. That is why 9 lakh, actually the figures go up to 90 lakh. Women were burnt at stakes because they differed from the mainline worship in the West. Even Joan of Arc was killed in the open road. See how a wrong relationship you establish with God. As if you are the representative of God and you have to punish people who did not believe in Him, and it is your divine duty to kill the other person. This is what makes terror an output of religion. That a wrong relationship you establish with God. I am here to protect God. Does God require protection? And once you take upon yourself the responsibility of protecting God, then obviously if anything wrong happens to the God, or any danger you see, or any abuse you hear, or any humiliation heaped upon your God or religion, or the text, or your belief system, or your dress, or your way of life, you respond by killing. That has never happened in this country. This is the greatest gift of India to the world. Harmony among religions. Not harmony, just harmony among the religious people. Because we had harmony amongst ourselves, we didn't have any problem if somebody worshipped X God or Y God. We had millions of gods, I told you, 33 crore gods, abundance of God. But because somebody worshipped one God, they killed each other. Because the God wanted a beard of 6 inches and you are having a beard of only 3 inches and I will kill you. Because you are disobeying God. You see the extent to which your loyalty, perceived loyalty to God, can make you a barbaric man or a woman. So this is an extremely important subject. And not only that, we saw human beings as God. For example, parents as God, father and mother as God. You know, I don't know how many of you have gone to Pandharpur. In Pandharpur, God came and he wanted to attract the attention of the devotee. The devotee said, "You sit there. I am doing my service for my mother." He didn't even take notice of the presence of God. That was the level to which devotion to mother was considered to be more than even devotion to God. At one point, there was no difference between God and mother. At one point in our mind. So parents as God, teachers as God. It is nowhere in any other civilization. In fact, there are certain religions which forbid your touching the feet of the parents. That is wrong, irreligious. But we not only made it religious, we made it mandatory. Our religion even went to the extent of saying even God is not important, your mother is important. So we moderated the power of God. You saw God in your mother, not independent of the mother. You saw God in your parents. You saw God in your